What's up, online shoppers? If you have big bulky appliances on your countertop in your kitchen and you want them to stay there, but you find it's a chore to move them around, I want to show you this awesome, elegant sliding tray by the company called Ibyx, and it was gifted to me by the brand so I could check it out and see what it was about. I am really excited to take it out of the box and see, because I have an air fryer that is awkward to move around on my counter, and I think this will be just the thing I need to make it move smoothly. Now, this is a pretty awesome little company from British Columbia, Canada, and they make absolutely gorgeous products. Oh, look how cute that is. Sending you love from our Canadian backyard. Love it. As a Canadian, I am fully here for this. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. It's so pretty. The idea behind this is that you would put your appliance on here and then it would roll smoothly on the countertop, and then you don't have to worry about having to lift things or scratch your countertop or anything else like that. It has a really nice little handle here so that when it's on the surface, you can pull it like this. And if we look at the underside, you can see that there's 4 little wheels right here. This is definitely a must-have kitchen tool for helping to make cooking in the kitchen easier. This one is a 12 by 16, but they have a ton of different sizes. So whether you're looking to put on your air fryer, your coffee pot, your toaster, they definitely have a size that's suited to whatever appliance you want to move on your countertop. They even have specialty ones for mixers. This is a great way to reorganize the kitchen to prevent scratching countertops, and also to give you quick, easy access to things that need to be pulled out from the wall where they're plugged in, so that you can put food in, clean behind, all that kind of sort of stuff. In case you were wondering, this is made of bamboo, and bamboo is one of those sustainable resources, grows quickly, so I really like the thinking behind that. And being a Canadian girl myself, born on Vancouver Island, I love that this also comes from Vancouver, so that's pretty cool. Now all that remains is for us to see what this looks like in action. I'm going to move it over to my kitchen and show you how well it moves my air fryer. Here you can see I have the Ibyx fully installed on my countertop and how sweet it looks with my little air fryer here. Now remember, I told you there's this little edge for gripping, and look at how nice and smooth it moves in and out of there. Now when we cook with the air fryer, we don't want it underneath the cabinets because of the heat that it shoots out. When we cook with it, it's really nice that we can do this and just slide it nice and smooth. Super convenient. Open this up. We can do all of the cooking that we want to do in here. When we're done, roll it right back in and leave it there. It makes it easy to clean up any of the crumbs that get under the counter. The movement is super nice and smooth. Quick little wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to clean this off. And it blends with the look of my kitchen. I love that the black here picks up the black in my countertop. And of course, they do have different colors, so you can certainly pick the colors that match with your countertops, cabinets, backsplash, whatever. It's absolutely convenient, super thoughtful, top quality materials, and I absolutely love it. So if you are looking for a way to make using your appliances more easy, these sliding trays by Ibyx are absolutely awesome. And for all these reasons, this tray is already a family favorite at my house.